Okay, we're going to take a look at the coupon plugin system. Um, what I've got here is we'll start with vendors. Vendors are the trucks themselves, and I've got some demo content loaded up here. I've entered 3 trucks. Essentially, every time you have a vendor, you'll want to add them in here. So I'm going to add one more. Just for demonstration purposes. So it's as simple as that. I just put that in there. John's test trucks. Now we have 4 trucks all together. The next part that we'll want to enter into is events. So when we create an event, your events down here, your event list is different. That's details all about the event. This is simply the event itself. So I've got one here, first test event. I'll open it up so you can see. All it really is the name. So the first test event and which trucks are at that event, so we know which vendors are there. In this case, I'm going to leave just these 3, and that event is configured. The last part of the setup for this is the coupons. So this is the offer, and what I'm going to do here is I have a test one set up, flat $5 for the first test event. So this means that a user can put in an email address, get a coupon in the form of an email QR code that they can show any of the trucks, and the trucks can validate that coupon. So I've got a name for my coupon. It can be a percentage off or a flat amount. I'm doing a flat $5, and the coupon has to be linked to an event. So in this case, we just have the one first test event. So now I have the first test event ready, and all that's left to do is this link right here. I'll just open it in a new tab, but you could take that link, you could make a QR code with it if you wanted to direct people to that link, but that's the link for this coupon. And what they get is they get a very simple page here. Most of these will be on a phone. It is optimized for mobile. It just requires that they put their email address in there. So if I do info, use one that I haven't used, because if it's been used already for this event, it will throw a flag and say, sorry, you can only do this once per event. So anyway, I put that in. It says, thank you for registering. Please check your email for the coupon. Now when I check my email, I've got to show this. I now have this QR code sent to me in an email form. And when I scan that QR code, it's going to take me to a page. On that page, kind of have to fake it up here because obviously I can't scan this, so this is an example of one that's been redeemed already, by the way. This is what they'll see if they've already redeemed the coupon. So I'm kind of building this URL from scratch here. Okay, so this is what, when a scanned QR code, when a person scans a QR code and they're at the truck, and somebody says, here's my QR code, and again, they're going to show this in their email on their phone. The person in the truck, any phone that can scan a QR code is going to scan that. It's going to give them the link, which is this. It's going to take them to this page, and if this is Joe's Food Truck, Joe can say, okay, $5 off, and they're going to select Joe's Food Truck, which is their truck, accept coupon, and they've now accepted that coupon. So now we know that Joe's has accepted a $5 coupon. We can't use that coupon again if they take it to someone else. And I'll just refresh this URL. It'll say accepting coupon for the following event. First event, this coupon has already been redeemed. So we already know it's been used and can't be used again. So that is, in a nutshell, what the system looks like. So we know that the coupons have been registered for. We know that the coupons have been used or not. We know which trucks have used the coupons. And I don't know if you've got a agreement with the trucks on that, but we can talk about reporting in addition to that. But that's a very basic, simple way to set this up, and to have people use this and have the trucks record the coupons and validate them with any cell phone capable of navigating to this site and then selecting their truck.